It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa naman tayo ng iba pang breakfast favorite natin. Pero ito siya, pwede din pang all-day breakfast kaya let's start cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya today gagawa tayo ng ating paboritong beef tapa. Ang version natin today, may konting tamis siya kasi very Pinoy ang lasa. Kaya simulan na natin. So meron akong beef dito from Fresh Options and it's cut very thinly. Tingnan natin na very thin slices of our tapa. And it's cut across the grain. And we will make our marinade. Very simple. Of course, we start off with 1/2 cup of Silver Swan soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of Old English Worcester sauce. Yan. Yun ang base natin and we will add our other ingredients. Meron ako ditong 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 head of garlic minced. Medyo maraming garlic, so very garlicky yung ating recipe. 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Yan. 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. And ito yung aking addition ay 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yan. So, ito yung marinade ko. And I'm mixing the marinade separately kasi I don't want to mix it here with the meat kasi madudurog yung meat ko. Everything's evenly mixed before adding it into my beef. Yan. And let that soak up the marinade. Of course, ito siya, the longer the better. But not too long, of course, no? Kasi there's such a thing as over-marination. Tandaan nyo yan, no? You marinate properly, so timing is key. We just let that soak. And I put that aside. In the meantime, I will make a mushroom omelette, no? Very simple recipe. So I will heat up my pan. I saute my onions with a little butter para maging malasa yung ating omelette. Yan. And I will saute my mushroom. So this is around 1/2 cup of mushroom we're using. So we're using UFC kisses and stems. I season that with salt, of course. Dapat may lasa. And I will also saute my onions. So I'm using white onions. I will also season with pepper. So season ating onions and mushrooms. Saute until the onions are tender. In the meantime, I will beat my eggs and 2 tablespoons of cream. Yan. Cream or milk. Again, season with salt. But I will not add pepper to my eggs. My onions are already nice and tender. I like it with a lot of onions. You can also add ham. Okay? And of course, I will put my mushrooms after sauteing. I'll put it aside. Yan. And I will just add a little bit of oil, just a drop of oil to my pan. Swirl it around and I will add my eggs. In the meantime, I will also, yan, mabilis lang ito. Stir natin yung ating eggs. Low fire. Let's not rush it. Yan. Scramble our eggs. Gentle heat. We don't want it to cook right away. And I will put my mushrooms on one side. If you want to add herbs, you can add herbs. Yan. Exchange places. Once my pan is hot, I add oil. And look at that. Ang effect kasi nito, why did I add my cornstarch is that ayaw ko kasi yung aking sauce to become too watery. So yung cornstarch will kind of like absorb the moisture and allow it to fry. And my eggs are done, of course. Gentle lang tayo. Flip na. Look at that, no? Omelette, no? I will just flip it to the other side, of course. Yan, aking omelette. Very nice omelette. And I will serve my tapa on the side. Chopped parsley. Yan. Ready na yung aking omelette. Tapa na lang yung inintay natin. Hot oil, tapa. Yan. Because my tapa is good quality beef, I don't have to pound it anymore. Pero kung hindi masyadong maganda yung quality nating beef, we're buying from the local market, yung pwede mong gawin ay you use a meat mallet and you pound it. So, ating omelette, ito siya, pang one person ka, kung ito lang no carbs diet ka. And we're ready. Yan. You fry your tapa in batches, of course. Maalat-alat, may konting asim, of course. Yan. And if you want it to be a little bit saucy, you just pour a little bit of our marinade and let it thicken. So if you want it dry, you strain the marinade. If you want it saucy, you sear it first and add the marinade. Look at that. And here it is. Look at that. Our beef tapa with, of course, our mushroom omelette. Try this recipe at home. Aming sweet style beef tapa. I'm sure you will love it. And so easy to do as well. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!